You worked for days on this podcast, researched every question, chased this guest for weeks. Finally, they're here. Camera, ready. Mics, perfect. Audio levels, clean. But then, the lighting, uneven. Harsh spots on the face, hard shadows behind. Skin tones look off. White balance keeps shifting. And suddenly, all that effort looks average. Now switch to Harrison's Lanterna. Even light spread. No harsh hotspots, no distracting shadows. Just soft, natural ambient lighting that wraps around your subject. Your camera gets better exposure. White balance stays stable. Skin tones look real, professional, cinematic. And the best part? You can control it remotely. Adjust brightness, set the mood, without interrupting the flow. You work too hard on your podcast to let bad lighting ruin it. Harrison Lanterna. Ambient lighting that makes you look as good as you sound.